Good morning, boys and girls. Our morning work, we're on page Unit 4, Week 6, Day 4. We are almost done with this book. The directions say edit and write each sentence correctly, circle adjectives, and underline adverbs. Number 1 says, soon mother will buy a pound of green apples. Fix it up, rewrite it nice and neat on the line. Number 2, my friends will secretly hide the blue cushion. Same thing, fix it up, rewrite it nice and neat on the line. Pause your video, do number 1 and number 2. Scrolling down to the daily math review, you know what to do there. Number 6, what fraction is the shaded part? So this here, we write the number of parts that are shaded here. Right here, we write the total number of equal parts. Okay. Do number 6. Number 7, choose the most appropriate measuring tool and measure the height of your desk in inches. You're not going to be able to measure your desk because you're not at school, but what you can do is you can tell me what would be more appropriate to measure your desk, a ruler or a yardstick, and we'll talk about it. Number 8, which is longer? Circle 1, 20 centimeters or 20 inches. Number 9, draw the hands on the face of the analog clock to show the time given on the digital clock. So it's 2:50. Make this clock also show 2:50. Pause your video, do number 8 and number 9. All right, let's start checking from the top. Soon, mother will buy a pound of green apples. Soon gets a capital because it's at the beginning of a sentence. Mother will buy a pound is spelled incorrectly. OU is making the ow sound, so p, ow, n, d, pound of green apples. Apples is a final syllable LE word, so AP is the first syllable, app. Second syllable is pull, so P, L-E, and then there's an S at the end because it's more than one. And then we also need a period at the end of the sentence. I'm going to rewrite number 1 nice and neat on the line. All right, number 1's looking good. Let's go to number 2. My friends will secretly hide the blue cushion. These are all spelled right. Blue is not spelled correctly. B-L-U-E. And then same thing, cushion isn't spelled correctly. So cushion is C-U-S-H-I-O-N. And then also I noticed that this isn't a question, it's telling us what my friends are going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite number 2 nice and neat on the line. All right, so that's done. Now we can go back and find adjectives, and then we'll find adverbs. So adjectives describe nouns. So mom got some apples, and when they told us what color, they're green. So green describes the apples. Then my friends will secretly hide the blue cushion. It's a blue cushion. So we're going to circle blue because that's the other adjective. Now we're going to find adverbs that tell when or where or why. So soon tells when mother's going to buy the apples. And secretly tells how we're going to hide that blue cushion. All right, daily math review. 9 plus 5 is 14. 9 plus 3 is 12. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 18. 9 plus 6 is 15. What fraction is the shaded part? So I told you to find how many parts are shaded. So 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are shaded. And then how many total parts are there? Well, we know that's 3, 4. So there's 4 total equal parts. So 3/4 is the shaded part. All right, so if I want to measure the height of my desk, I wouldn't want to use a ruler because I would have to stack them up on top of each other. The appropriate tool would be a yardstick. All right, which is longer? Circle 1, 20 centimeters or 20 inches? 20 inches. Inches are bigger than centimeters. An inch is about that big. And a centimeter is about, I'd say about that big, roughly. Close, anyway. All right, number 9, we're going to draw the hands to match the time. So it's 2:50. So I know 50 is after halfway. So that tells me that the hour hand, I'm going to have to draw it halfway between the 2 and the 3. So I'm going to start by drawing my hour hand. Okay, and then I'm going to count my minutes, o'clock, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So I'm going to draw my long hand all the way to the edge where the tin is. And that's 250. All right, we're all done with our morning work. Good luck with your next assignment.